Bonjour les élèves, comment allez-vous? Now onwards, we will use more French than English as you are in the advanced stage. The title of this lesson is Aller au cinéma. Cinéma in French has multiple meanings. Cinema can mean the art of making films or the cinema hall or the theatre itself. Now, we will first learn a few expressions about watching movies. We all love movies. Do you love to watch movies? Aimez-vous regarder les films? Aimez-vous regarder les films? Do you love to watch movies? J'adore les films. I love movies. J'adore les films. J'aime les films. I like movies. J'aime les films. So, we have learned three expressions. J'adore les films. J'aime les films. Do you like movies? Aimez-vous le film? Aimez-vous regarder les films? Do you love to watch movies? In case you don't like to watch movies, the answer will be Je n'aime pas les films. Je n'aime pas les films. I don't like films. So, in this lesson, we have learned already three expressions, three verbs, adorer, aimer, and ne pas aimer. Please note, aimer can have two meanings. Aimer can be love and like both, depending on its usage. Now, we will learn how to give and take directions to reach a place, for example, to reach a film. For example, how to reach a cinema. The basic question that we would start with is, où sommes-nous? Où sommes-nous? Où means where, sommes-nous means are we. Où sommes-nous? Imaginons, nous sommes à Paris. Imaginons, nous sommes à Paris. Imaginons, nous sommes à Paris. Imaginons means let's imagine. On étudie à l'université de Sorbonne à Paris. Let's imagine we are studying at Sorbonne University in Paris. Imaginons means let's imagine. Aujourd'hui, nous voulons voir un film. Aujourd'hui, nous voulons voir un film. Today, we will watch a movie. Il y a un cinéma tout près de l'université qui s'appelle l'Odéon. Il y a un cinéma tout près de l'université qui s'appelle l'Odéon. So, just a quick recap. Aujourd'hui, nous voulons voir un film. Il y a un cinéma tout près de l'université qui s'appelle l'Odéon. Nous allons à Odéon pour regarder le film Le fabuleux destin d'Amélie Poulain. I know the sentence is too long for you perhaps. Then let's break it. Nous allons à l'Odéon. We will go to Odeon Cinema pour regarder le film, to see the film, an Oscar-winning French film, called Amélie. It's just to give you an idea that how we are going to reach out to the theatre. Où est le cinéma? Where is the theatre? Où est le cinéma? Where is the theatre? Regardez la carte. Regardez la carte. La carte means the map. La carte de Paris means map of Paris. How do we reach there? How do we reach to l'Odeon Cinema? We are on the Rue des Écoles. We are on the Rue des Écoles. So that's like near Sorbonne University in Paris. And we want to go to the cinema called l'Odeon in French or Odeon in English. On demande à une personne? Let's ask somebody. On demande à une personne. Now I am going to tell you a conversation that will take place between me and the passerby near the Sorbonne University. Excusez-moi, monsieur, où se trouve la salle de cinéma Odéon? Excusez-moi, monsieur, où se trouve la salle de cinéma l'Odéon? Monsieur, ce n'est pas loin, vous allez tout droit, traversez boulevard Saint-Michel et continuez tout droit. Au bout de la rue, vous êtes sur boulevard Saint-Germain à votre droite. Et la salle de cinéma, l'Odéon est juste devant vous, sur l'autre côté du boulevard. As I can imagine, it was a long conversation for you. So let's go sentence by sentence. The first thing the passerby has said, ce n'est pas loin. Ce n'est pas loin. Vous allez tout droit. Ce n'est pas loin means it's not far. Allez tout droit, like vous allez tout droit means you go straight. Aller tout droit means go straight. So, ce n'est pas loin, vous allez tout droit means it's not far, you go straight. Then he said, traversez boulevard Saint-Michel et continuez tout droit. Traversez boulevard Saint-Michel et continuez tout droit. Traverser means to cross a road. Traverser boulevard Saint-Michel means cross boulevard Saint-Michel. And continuer tout droit means continue going straight. Au bout de la rue, vous êtes sur boulevard Saint-Germain à votre droite. Au bout de la rue, at the end of the road, bout means end here. Au bout de la rue, at the end of the road, vous êtes sur boulevard Saint-Germain à votre droite. À votre droite means on your right. So the sentence means at the end of the road, you are on boulevard Saint-Germain, boulevard Saint-Germain on your right. Tournez à droite. At some point of time, the passerby, the gentleman whom we asked how to reach Odeon Cinema, he said, tournez à droite. Tourner à droite means turn right. Et la salle de cinéma, l'Odéon est juste devant vous. And Then he said, et la salle de cinéma Odéon est juste devant vous, sur l'autre côté du boulevard. Now, we are learning some prepositions. Devant. Devant means in front of. L'autre côté means on the other side. L'autre côté de la rue means on the other side of the road. L'autre côté du boulevard means on the other side of the boulevard. So, now we will just make a quick recap, récapitulatif, as we say it in French. Dans ce cours, nous apprenons beaucoup de nouvelles choses. Dans ce cours, in this lesson, we are learning many new things. Firstly, we have learned how to take or give directions to reach a new place. In the process, we have learned tout droit, to go straight, à droite, on the right, près de, nearby, loin, far, and une carte. Une carte means a map. We have also learned preposition à. Remember, à can be translated as at, like on est à l'université de Sorbonne, means we are at the Sorbonne University, but the same à can also mean in. On est à Paris, we are in Paris. À can also mean to. On va à l'Odéon, we are going to Odéon. So, just to tell you that you have to remember the prepositions in English and prepositions in French, they are not always equivalent. They can change their meaning according to their usage. So, à can means at, in, or to, depending on the situation. We have further learned où. Où means where. And more importantly, we have learned a new way of expressing ourselves. Imaginons means let's imagine. Traverser boulevard Saint-Michel means cross boulevard Saint-Michel. In the course of time, you will understand why I am saying it is important to know, to say imaginons, let's imagine, traverser, cross. This is a new form in which the subject is missing. It's not nous imaginons, it's not vous traversez, it's only imaginons and traverser. So, continuer tout droit means continue going straight. It doesn't mean vous continuez tout droit. So, the vous is missing, nous is missing. Did you notice that we did not add any je, vous, nous in front of these verbs? Yes, it is important to note this at this point, and we are going to learn about it in a very near future. Now, after reaching the cinema, what do? We buy a ticket. A ticket is called as billet or droit d'entrée. Billet or droit d'entrée. So, how to buy a ticket? So, for the time being, we will use the word billet. B-I-L-L-O-T. Billet. Pour voir un film, on achète un billet. Pour acheter un billet, on va au guichet. Où est le guichet? So just let me tell you once again. To watch a movie, we need a ticket, and to buy a ticket, we have to go to the ticket counter. And where is the ticket counter? The ticket counter in French is le guichet. Le guichet. Pour acheter, Acheter means to buy. Pour acheter un billet, on va au guichet. Où est le guichet? To buy a ticket, we will go to the ticket counter. And where is the ticket counter? So, once again, le guichet means the ticket counter. Le guichet se trouve à gauche. Before we have learned à droite. Now, à droite means on right. À gauche means on left. So, le guichet se trouve à gauche. À gauche means on the left. Le vendeur au guichet. Le vendeur means the person who is selling a ticket at the ticket counter. Le vendeur means seller. A person who sells anything is vendeur. Like in English, the word vendor comes from le vendeur. Le vendeur au guichet. So now, just like a few minutes back, we will also have an imaginary conversation between me and the guy who is selling the ticket at the ticket counter of the cinema. Bonjour, vous voulez combien de billets? So, the seller of the ticket counter is saying, Bonjour, vous voulez combien de billets? Moi, je veux 3 billets. Combien ça coûte? Je veux 3 billets. Combien ça coûte? Le vendeur au guichet, the ticket counter guy says, 30 euros s'il vous plaît. 30 euros s'il vous plaît. Moi, voilà 30 euros. Où est la salle? Voilà 30 euros. Où est la salle? Le vendeur au guichet. C'est au premier étage. C'est au premier étage. Moi, merci. Now, I know once again it might have been a bit long conversation for you, so we will just recap the entire thing once again. Le récapitulatif, recap. Le vendeur. Le vendeur means the seller. And seller if that's a man. If the seller is a woman, la vendeuse. We have learnt it before. Le vendeur, la vendeuse. So, le vendeur means the seller, masculine. La vendeuse means the seller, feminine. Then, tourner à gauche. Tourner à gauche. Tourner à gauche means turn left. Tourner à droite means turn right. And tout droit means straight. Tout droit. So, tourner à gauche, tourner à droite, and à droite means straight. Then, if you remember, in the conversation we said, où est la salle? Où est la salle? La salle means the hall. Where is the hall? Means the theatre where we will watch the movie. Où est la salle? Where is the hall? C'est au premier étage. It's on the first floor. That's why when the vendor was saying, he was just indicating il est au premier étage. It is on the first floor. And now, if you remember, I used the word combien. Combien ça coûte? Combien means how much or how many. Combien de pommes means how many apples are there. Trois means 3. And combien coûte une bouteille de l'eau? Bouteille de l'eau, water bottle. How much does a mineral water bottle would cost? Combien coûte une bouteille de l'eau? 20 roupies. 20 rupee means 20 rupees. So, we have also importantly learned this word called combien to ask how much and how many. So, now in this course, we have talked about going to a cinema, how to buy tickets, and now we will learn a few things around cinema. Quelle est votre star préférée? Who is your favorite star? Un star or une star? Star is an English word, but which is also used in French. But there is also a French word for star, that is vedette. La vedette. So, quelle est votre star préférée? Who is your favorite star? Then you can also ask a question, qui est votre acteur préféré? Acteur is an actor. Qui est votre acteur préféré? Pour moi, c'est Jim Carrey. Pour moi, c'est Jim Carrey. Who is your favorite actor? My favorite actor is Jim Carrey. Qui est votre actrice préférée? Qui est votre actrice préférée? Who is your favorite actress? Pour moi, c'est Madhubala. Pour moi, c'est Madhubala. For me, it's Madhubala. So now you know how to say who is your favorite actor, who is your favorite star, and who is your favorite actress. So, la star, la vedette, un acteur, une actrice. These are the words which we might be learning anew here. La star means the star, la vedette, it also means the star, it's a French word for the star. Un acteur means an actor, and une actrice means an actress. Actually, these days in English, we more use the word actor. Actress we don't use so much, but there is a word called actress as well. So, acteur is for men, actrice is for women. So, an acteur is an actor, une actrice is an actress. And remember, we have also learned a word called ou. And if you remember that ou is different from another word with same pronunciation and almost the same spelling. Ou means where, ou means also or, either or, ou. So, ou when it is used as where, it has an accent grave, o, u, accent grave. Ou means where. O, u without any accent is or. Like la chemise rouge ou la chemise noire means the red t-shirt or the black t-shirt. Vous voulez du thé ou du café? Do you want tea or coffee? So, here O, U without any accent. But when you say où est le cinéma, there is an accent and it means where is the cinema. Now, if you remember, we talked about Odeon Cinema in Paris. Now, we will talk in French a little bit about cinema, cinema halls in India and in Paris in French. Le Grand Rex est une salle de cinéma historique. Elle a plus de 2700 places. The Grand Rex is a historical cinema in Paris. Le Grand Rex est une salle de cinéma historique à Paris. Elle a plus de 2700 places. It has more than 2,700 seating capacity. La plus grande salle de l'Inde se trouve où? Where is the largest cinema hall in India? La plus grande salle de l'Inde est à Raj Mandir à Jaipur. The biggest cinema hall in terms of sitting capacity in a single hall is in Jaipur, and it's called Raj Mandir. Now, if you remember, during the course, I talked about a film, Le fabuleux destin d'Amélie Poulain. Have you heard of this film? Le fabuleux destin d'Amélie Poulain. In fact, the English title of this film is Just Amélie. We talked about this film during our class. It's a wonderful movie which happens in Paris, and it has won several Oscar awards also. So, do a search on Le fabuleux destin d'Amélie Poulain and take the charm of Parisian life in this film. And another thing we talked of during the conversation, La Sorbonne. You know the Sorbonne. The Sorbonne is one of the oldest and most reputed universities of the world, and it is situated in Paris. With this, I would say we would conclude this class. Bonne continuation. À la prochaine. Au revoir.